Abdul Rafi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am talking about ethics. We discuss 5 points. Number 1. What is ethics? Number 2. Why is ethics important? Number 3. How can we practice ethics? Number 4. Some facts about ethics. Number 5. Conclusion. What is ethics? Ethics helps us to decide what is right and wrong. It tells us how we should behave so that we can be kind, fair and honest. Number 2. Why is ethics important? There are 3 points. Kind, fair and honest. Number 3. How can we practice ethics? Number 1. Sharing. When we share our toys or snacks with friends, we are being kind and fair. Number 2. Telling the truth. If we accidentally break something, telling the truth is the right thing to do. Number 4. Facts about ethics. Many people follow the golden rule, which says treat others the way you want to be treated. Another is we can learn about ethics by watching people we admire. Now at the end I conclude the topic. Ethics help us to be good people. It teaches us to be kind, fair and honest. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.